kasing gagalaw, para makuha ko yung tamang mo, blood pressure mo. Kasi nga, ininom ka ng gamot. Titignan natin kung mababa o hindi mababa. Kasi pag mababa, hindi ka pwede uminom. Okay ba yan? Isa pa ulit po kasi gagalaw over 40. Tapos yung pulse rate ko 82. Wala. Hindi ka napapagod? Wala. Hindi ka pwedeng uminom, Hindi ka pwedeng uminom. 76 over 40. Normal na ba yun sa'yo? Dali na, dali. Gaya. 90 over 40, pwede ba yung sa'yo, be? Ako din, guys. Kukuha ako ng mag-ano rin ako. Kailangan ko din mag-BP araw-araw. So, si Janela 70 over 40. 70 over 40. Yan. Mataas ako. 145 over 82. 87 yung ating pulse rate. So, 145 over 82. 145
Shout out Walking Tours TV, thank you. Shout out Annie PH Vlogs, thank you so much. Shout out Roses Dance Therapy and Self-Care, thank you. The Pesaimo, thank you, shout out. Akmal Basinda, shout out and thank you. Soek Fishing Channel, thank you and shout out. Uncle Peter Official, shout out and thank you. Wong Blahitan 31, shout out and thank you. Sri Wayuni, thank you and shout out. Majoy Dasha, thank you and shout out. Giyak Vlogs Troll, thank you and shout out. Just Yogi doing burpees in his page, thank you. And Chard, thank you.